Hey everyone, how's it going today? This is cryptoFOXXY, and thank you so much for stopping back by my channel. Super appreciate you guys tuning in, watching my videos, and all the support that I have been given over the last few months. So we're going to talk in this video about Avalanche. Before we get into it, though, smash the like button and subscribe to the channel for more cryptocurrency news and information and all that good stuff. Or you can just come here and have a laugh at me, whatever you feel like doing. So AVAX's remarkable rise. Is AVAX a hidden gem for 2024? This is one I made some pretty decent coin on back in the last bull run. But since mid-January last year, AVAX shot up from $15.80 to a new 18-month high of $48 in December. However, it started the year pretty poorly, and in the past week, it's lost over 10% as its upward momentum is dwindling. So investors' interest in the token soared in December when trading volume consistently exceeded 1.5 billion. Avalanche remains in the top 10 cryptos, just ahead of Dogecoin. While the price and volume are declining, the on-chain fundamentals remain strong. So since this year started, the daily active addresses and transactions have increased. So the network's being used, basically, which is always a good sign. Now, the RSI has dipped from 72, which indicates overbought, to about 45, just above weak, showing investors are cooling off their interest in their project. So basically, the overall cryptocurrency market's having a massive pullback. Things are down, and there's not as much volume coming on right now. So AVAX is obviously, being negatively affected by that as well. Avalanche's total value locked is less than a tenth of its all-time high of 11.4 billion. Investors do appear bearish on social media. Obviously, the overall cryptocurrency market is going through a retracement. So, with weighted sentiment dipping in recent days, according to Sentiment. So, what's next for AVAX? What do they have to look forward to? Well, it's one of the bigger gainers in the last bull cycle. The network is setting itself up for long term gains, not short term speculation and hype. And this is what I really like about AVAX. They're one of the most scalable networks. They were they were called Ethereum killer. I don't really like that term. I think multiple cryptos have purposes and they can coexist. But it's a rival to Ethereum, and it relies on application-specific sidechains, imploring parallel expansion, similar to Cosmos or the Polkadot parachains. So, a critical development that in recent times has been the rise of ASC20, which is the network's version of the BRC20 standard that introduced Bitcoin ordinals on the Bitcoin chain. So, the network has recorded over 100 million inscriptions, proving that the market for NFTs on other chains is vast and untapped. But it's not just for NFTs. ASC20 inscriptions can cater to any token from stablecoins to real world assets. So it's not just for that. So, inscriptions have, you know, a lot of use outside of the NFT space as well. And I think, having that broader utility is going to definitely boost up AVAX's ecosystem. But yeah, I'm going to be keeping an eye on AVAX. I think, if we get a decent pullback here, I'm probably going to load up a little bit start loading up for the next bull run. I should have already bought some. I was focusing on some other projects, some of which I have taken profits from. So I have some profits that I'm looking to allocate. So AVAX is one that I definitely would consider reinvesting in again because I think that they've made a lot of improvements over the last couple of years, and I think things are looking even better for the next bull market. But that's what I got for you guys in this video. I just want to bring this to you. Obviously, do your own due diligence. Nothing I say here is financial advice whatsoever. This is just me doing my own research for myself and sharing it with you. That's what I got for you in this video. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.